During my medical college days, fatty liver cases were very common among males, obese people, middle aged, and with a history of alcoholism. Nowadays, every other day, I see cases of fatty liver in my clinic, irrespective of gender, age, your physical build, lifestyle. Okay, even lean people also have seen fatty liver, and actually there is no medicine because it is actually irreversible in most of the cases. Today morning I have seen a boy. He comes to my clinic, 22-year-old boy. He's on medication for gastric issues with me, and in his sonography, incidentally, this is how we get to know about fatty liver cases, because they don't present with any symptoms. Fatty liver has no symptoms. So this is found, and he asked me, ma'am, fatty liver का भी कुछ medicine है क्या? Then in the case history, it comes up that he takes alcohol as well, addictions में. I told him, why don't you stop taking alcohol, because this is the commonest cause. Alcohol is the commonest preventable causes of fatty liver. So why don't you stop it? He says, मैम बहुत सालों से है तो इतना easy नहीं है छोड़ना, quit करना इतना easy नहीं है. तो कब easy है? When do you want to quit? When do you want to take a step? जब आपका liver damage start हो जाएगा, या फिर इंसिडेंटली कभी अगेन कोई एबनॉर्मल लिवर फंक्शन वैल्यूज़ आ जाएंगे, या फिर कोई सिरोटिक चेंजेस, सिरोसिस ऑफ द लिवर स्टार्ट होगा. दैट्स द टाइम व्हेन यू वांट टू टेक सम डिसीजन. कब क्विट करेंगे आप? इट इज़ अ साइलेंट डैमेज. ओके, मेनी पीपल से सोशल ड्रिंकिंग ऑल्सो कैन ट्रिगर fatty liver changes, fat buildup in liver causing inflammation and causing liver damage eventually, and you will never come to know because it is silent damage. And once you stop alcoholism causing fatty liver, most of the cases it is reversible. Yes, I have seen. So if you get into something like liver damage and cirrhosis, unusual events always require extraordinary interventions. Don't get into that. Okay, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परले होएगो, बहुरी करोगे कब, कबीर के दोहे. So think wise and take right decision.